Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and we're going to finish up where we left off by taking some screenshots here, uploading that, and getting the rest of our play stuff going. So, how do we take screenshots? Well, that's a good question. In fact, Eclipse makes it easy for you. So let's go back to Eclipse. We have our virtual device running right here, you see? And what we can do back in Eclipse here, and let's go to up at the top here, we need to say Window, and then Show View, and then we want to look for Android devices. So let's go to Other, and let's come down, and we're looking for devices. So devices, here we go. It opens up this new tab, and this basically shows any devices that we're running. If we had a phone plugged in or something, it would show that too. So we can have this here, and I can actually look at this, and when I click on this, you'll see there's a little camera right here. If we click Screen Capture, it's praying a screen capture, and it makes this nice big image for us. So let's save this. Okay, let's just put it in the same folder, and now let's actually come back to our app here. So now it's a little bit different of shot because now it says not quite, guess again. So this is, of course, you're going to want to have nice varying shots of your application, but if you'll notice, I changed what looks like on this screen. Now I hit the screenshot button again. It's going to prepare a new screenshot, and it's actually going to be whatever on the screen. So whatever on the screen at the time you click that screenshot button is going to be what this creates a screenshot of. Okay, let's close out of that. Cool, we have our screenshots. Let's come back here and let's upload those. So I'm just going to click this, or of course you can drag and drop, as it says, drop image here. I'm just going to do it this way. Cool. And now we have our two screenshots. And like I said, in real app situations, you're going to want 7-inch tablet, 10-inch tablet screenshots, and you can definitely accomplish that through different emulators. Or if you have those devices in developer mode, you can take screenshots with that as well. So now we need a high-res icon, which is a 512 by 512 square. And let's check out something really quick. If we come to our project, so if we go to our actual project files, the ones created in Eclipse, you'll see we have these res, the icons are all created for us, but there's also this IC Launcher Web ping. And if you open it up, you can see that it's actually 512 by 512. So they've created this for us to make this nice and easy. And now this one I am going to just drag and drop. This little Android guy marches around, and we have our icon here. Cool. So we have this purple and blue Android, we have all this stuff, and now you can upload these feature graphics and promo graphics, and all of these things are going to help your app sell. So by all means, do it. You can even put a promo video of this thing working. So now we get to select what kind of application type it is. And now it's an application. The category is going to be, I guess so you can say this is educational, and the content rating is for everyone, because there's nothing in it that you wouldn't want anybody to have. And now the contact details, of course, have my website and my email address, and privacy policy. And now you can have a privacy policy. In fact, you probably should if you're having like user information and stuff. But because this is just simple, I'm just going to check this not submitting a privacy policy. I'm going to click this big save button right here. Application's been saved. And now you'll see we have another green checkbox. So we have APK is good, our store listing is good. Now we just have this pricing and distribution. The app is going to be free. We want to distribute it in all countries, so we check this checkbox. So if you want to limit countries, you can check them, whichever ones you want. If you want it to be paid, you know, we can certainly have it be paid, but you have to set up a merchant account. So you'd have to click on this merchant account, and for our next Level Up Tuts app that we're publishing, maybe we can do a paid one so we can see that. And now that's pretty much it. So you can actually even restrict distribution here, and only users of my Google Apps domain name can get this. It's okay. I don't need anything like that. I'm not going to opt in for any sort of education stuff because the app itself isn't educational. But the process of the app is educational. And this is an opt-out for do not promote my application except in Google Play. I mean, I don't really care. They can promote it wherever they'd like. Content guidelines. this application meets Android's content guidelines, and it does. So I'm checking this checkbox, and I'm checking this US export laws, and I'm going to save this. Now we should be all good for this app to go ready to prime time. So what happens now? We have all these checkboxes, everything's good. We don't have any in-app products, we don't have any APIs or anything like that. Let's go to draft, and why can't I publish? And we can't publish because my registration is not complete. So in 24 hours, I'm going to complete my registration, and then I'm going to publish this app by clicking here and publishing this app. So when that's done, I'm going to make an update, post the link, and you should all see this app in action. So as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment on our video or hit us up at Twitter at LevelUpTuts. Let us know what you're thinking. We always love to hear from you. This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and thanks for watching. Bye.